In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code in Windows Terminal. This guide explains the necessary steps to install the Claude Code CLI, set up your API key, and test its functionality to improve your coding experience. Start by opening Windows Terminal. You can do this by searching for Windows Terminal in the Start menu and selecting it from the results. Once the terminal is open, you will install Claude Code CLI using npm. Ensure that you have node.js installed on your system, as it is required for this process. If node.js is not installed, visit the node.js website and download the LTS version 20 or higher. To install Claude Code CLI, enter the following command in the terminal: npm install-g Claude Code code /. Press the enter key to execute the command. The installation process will begin, and you will see progress indicators in the terminal. Once the installation is complete, you will return to the command prompt. Next, you need to set your API key for Claude Code CLI to function properly. First, sign up at the Claude website for a free tier account. After signing up, copy your API key from your account dashboard back in the terminal, enter the command set x cldd_API_key, your _API_key here, replacing your _API_key here with the actual API key you copied. Press enter to set the environment variable. After setting the API key, close the Windows terminal and reopen it to activate a variable. To verify that the API key has been set correctly, type echo %cldd_API_key% into the terminal and press enter. The terminal should display your API key if set up properly. Now that you've installed the CLI and set your API key, you can test the functionality of Claude Code CLI. In the terminal, type the command Claude, write a hello world program in Python and press enter. You will see Claude Code print the generated Python code directly in the terminal, demonstrating that the installation was successful. To start an interactive session with Claude, enter the command Claude chat in the terminal and press enter. You will see a prompt labeled you. Here you can type your question or task, such as you generate a node.js function to fetch data from an API. Claude will respond instantly in the terminal with the requested information. To exit the session, simply type exit and press enter. For more advanced commands, you can save responses to a file by using the command Claude, write a bash script to backup files, -output backup.share. Additionally, you can utilize templates by entering Claude generate -template, Python_function -prompt. These options can enhance your workflow significantly. Lastly, consider using some free tools to improve your terminal experience. Windows Terminal is an official free application that supports tabs, profiles, and color customization. You may also explore Oh My Posh for a more readable terminal interface and editors like Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code for quickly opening code files saved by Claude. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.